Let's elaborate about Wilbert's father. Let me explain. Look at the monitor and identify this clip. I said, Chuck,
Guys,
I mean the mother didn't want. Babe, stop it now. Yeah, man, I mean the mother didn't want first, man. I mean, should I look at. Me go talk the people. Them, babe, don't do that. Them a record. No, man, me have to make everybody. Yeah, man, I mean, should they want. Let me tell you. I made the mother that look first, but because me say me no want a big woman, me there with the daughter, but I made the mother that want first still. Babe, no, them a go record. No, me have to make them know. I made the mother that want me. What you have to say about that with red eyes?
well, to be honest, first thing first, red ants just always want to be seen. Therefore, that argument, me know nothing at all no go so because he come back and I say a prank. But sit down and make him, like my daughter, watch him and talk this type of way about me. I find it very disgusting. You understand? Red ants is I feel like red ants have a sickness. And more you understand it. There's a time red ants does, if you look in him eyes, you can see the wildness. And next him does get really evil and start beat. And
Like a possessed, him have a positive energy. Yes, yes.
him sister said it, him own sister said it, like a positive, say word,
Yes, yeah, positive, yes.
energy.
Yes.
Right? And next now he just beat, like he just beat her. You understand me? And then the reaction when me get from him. He will be around me, Your Honor, and him act very nice with me. Mother-in-law, between me gone. You know see your mother-in-law, your mother who be me. Who be your mother, me come here, you know, me can. That's how him act. You understand? Chat, everybody catch your speed, my son.
Moderator, uno give for them, you know, because I want them focus. You just want them make their money stay, me don't want to interrupt.
Thank you,
All
baby.
right.
Thank you. One more.
So, Annie,
Yes.
Guys, 3 more. 3 more. Guys, everyone say
don't you believe she should stop blaming you for, even though I asked you already, but me have to ask you again. Don't you believe she should stop blaming you for everything, like even the situation with her son now and everything? What would you want your daughter to do? Would you accept her leaving Red Ants? That is what you want, Brawling?
To be honest, I would definitely want to see Anna fight back for once. Like, take responsibility, just like how me would know when me do something wrong and me say, okay, I'm wrong. But I want Anna take responsibility and stand up as a woman and fight for herself and her child. Even if she don't want to come back where I am, that's okay. But I want for she stand up for herself and even move, go somewhere with her baby.
Stand up for yourself and go somewhere. Hold on. Oh, for God said the more nuggets. But not save her nuggets and make her pass because she have 15 or more nuggets that go out with over there. So no go over there go save back her nuggets then because we don't want she keep her nuggets to continue the game. Now we're gonna start the rest. See Mika show her. Nika, remember your mother to save the nuggets, them little girl.
You know think
She just have
we don't
one.
think you know get style losing at this
Nuggets,
type
yeah.
of game.
Guys, save our nuggets and make we end this one. Go and save Annie nuggets them. She need it to continue. Alright. So Annie. Alright, let's how much kids you have? I know but me just want to ask you some questions. How much kids you have?
6.
How much boy? Girls?
Two boy and 4 girls.
Okay. How much time you ever been married?
Oh, never.
You never married yet?
No.
How much time you ever been in a relationship? From 10 to from 0 to 10 or from 42 to 50?
Well, we're from 0 to 10.
You're still in the 0 to 10 threshold or 42 to 50?
Nah, we are going to 0 to 10.
Okay, 0 to 10. Alright. Do you see yourself married in how long and when?
To be honest, yes, I do see myself married, and to be honest, I think me and that person is gonna grow old together.
Do you ever see yourself living in America?
Yes. Think
You're
about
hoping
it.
to marry?
Yeah.
Okay. The Akiwa in Jamaica, is that a community? There's an allegation come to me on this file on case 998-700, the people versus Annie. It is saying something Aki, but I've never seen a saltfish on it, so I don't know if it's a culture or what is. What could you explain this Aki something to me? If it's a culture dish? You have anything you want to say about it? I don't know. You don't have to say anything too deep. But what you have to say about this dish?
Well, I just have to say about the dish. Say the dish is very much deceiving. You know, sometimes you can't trust in the dish. You know, and it just turn on and disappoint you.
I'm going to say something to you. There is 5 letter here signed by 5 judge from around the world that Shay authorized Judge Pusen and Judge Fridge to draft just transcript. Shay get this legal document. Let me tell you what's this legal document that Shay said. Shay is saying that she's signing petition to reprimand you because whatever is going on, you fully aware of it and you're acting like you're not aware of it. So Shay is saying that the government of Jamaica and the CDA must lock you up. So Shay is trying to do everything in the court of law to try to overturn you to get locked up. So the question I am asking you now, is it true that you already know that Akiwa was already in the Akiwa because this paper state that you are Akiwa used to Akiwa too?
What?
So yes, yes, that is in Shay documents. Shay documents. You and Akiwa used to Akiwa and then Akiwa go Akiwa. That is what is in the documents here.
I don't know what you're talking about. No, I don't know what you're talking about.
But you understand me when I mean Akiwa?
I understand you perfect. I understand exactly what you're saying, but I don't. There's none way you talk about right now, right there. So I don't know nothing about
so you're
that.
saying it's not real. Okay, all right, good.
Yeah.
So let me put a note to it so make the other judges and them fully aware that it is not acceptable. We have to know, Annie, because I am the highest court, so we have to overlook all documents to see if everything is all right. All right, I have another question for you, Annie.
Yes.
Your love life.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Guys, 7 Rose chat. Yeah.
Where is your love life now? There was an allegation from Ethiopia stating that you were in a romantic relationship business with Jabas for 3 weeks. Is that true?
No, Your Honor, that's not true.
All right. So, you have to also ask.
Yeah, that's not. Your Honor, can I say this?
Yes.
Jabba is treat me like I'm mother. Him call me mommy, and he just always look out for me.
Okay. Fix up this allegation. Is it true that you did pregnant for police? Yes or no?
No. I can't get pregnant, sir.
When you say you can't get pregnant, but you can.
Meaning that I have my last daughter, my time too.
Okay, so you can't get pregnant. Okay, so that dismissed. So I realize that people spread a lot of propaganda on your name because you're a celebrity. You're a celebrity. All right. So who is your son? Identify his present again. What's your son's name? Gabat? What? Your
Jabas?
Son, no, your son.
Which one? My son, my big son, Jagger.
Okay, it was alleged that your Annie's son, where they would one prostitute when Anna head, she used to sleep with the go-go and Annie mash up the son life because Annie no wanting there with the go-go and the go-go take it with feelings. Who is that?
What's the name of that person? What's the name of the lady we're talking about?
Oh, this information coming from Shade the office saying that you have a go-go friend where your son used to stay with.
Okay, sir. She's not a go-go. Her name is Titi, and she's a dancer, like music video type of dancer.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Lots of all right. I need the clerk of court and everybody to know that there's a lot of allegation coming from Shay that are not evidently clarified.
Yeah.
So I don't know what is going on with Shay, but Shay is sending a lot of documents up here, and I'm glad she's here to disqualify.
Yes.
What is the latest mix-up with you right now, Annie? Just tell me. Why you tell me yourself?
The latest mix-up right now is The same Shay where try to harm me and my family.
What do you mean by harm your family? What do you mean?
Shay and Destiny I send people towards my family. Them screw out the lugs out of my car. Them broke out my car
Oh
glass,
Lord.
the back of the car glass. Right? She send people towards my place to harm me. So that are the latest. And Destiny I call my phone and I threaten me. You understand? And Your Honor, I want to say this one too as well. Destiny, the one when him the donkey, come out and tell like my son named Alex, say my son call her and I beg her in a relationship. Him call it. And that's my son that
Hold
really
on,
talk to
hold on,
nobody.
hold on, hold on, hold on. We don't take threat lightly. So what this Logan and all of these things, I don't like it. So I'm going to put out an emergency arrest warrant for Queenie and Shay. They have to turn themselves in within 24 hours to clarify the log tool. No clarification in 24 hours. Then the British Scotland Yard will come down with them and cover. So 24 hours to turn in themselves. So everybody, I want everybody to know that Queenie and Shay is under arrest. Anyone who go on the police up them page, they must come and clarify these threats. We do not take threats like these very likely, especially when people, it has something to do with people's life. So they need to come
Definitely.
clarify this right now. I'm not with it. All right. So would you and Shay put on the ashes aside, on the ashes?
I don't have
On the
nothing
fight?
with Shay, Your Honor. I think she's the problem. I don't have nothing against Shay. I don't she's just always constantly just coming out for my family.
So if she decide to stop come off for you and I we have a
I never,
understanding?
Your Honor, I'm not the person to come up here and come on my stream and speak about Shay. She always be the person coming after my family. Your Honor, I want to say something. The last time when we was in Ocherius, Mansfield Heights, I continue to tell people on social media, say 3 persons go in my house and lick my son. And that was the cause of Shay. And nobody's not
Oh Lord,
listening.
no, so that sorry. Continue, carry on.
That was the cause of Shay, right? Shay and Odie his family. Odie, that's the person who's doing the DNA test, right? So when me and her argue, she link with them at Falkland and send man go up on my place. No way we argue again now, Your Honor, because she not get the justice here, so me get locked up, right? She link with people here, so in the community, telling people what to do and how to harm me at the end of the day. So me
All
just
right,
ask you some help with all of this.
hold on. Well, people send back Stevie to investigate this while I call the Jamaican Constabulary Force. Now, send back Stevie to investigate this and we lock up. Meanwhile, we take this to the Jamaican Constabulary Force. Annie, honestly speaking, what proof you have for these serious allegations? Because I don't want to press charges. People will go to jail.
Because
You
they call
sure
me
say
on my
that
phone,
comes?
Your Honor. They call me on my phone and she talk it out straight on live. She even give out my number and tell people to call me also. They call me. She call me and Donkey call me also, Your Honor.
So did you know that if you go to the nearest police and give $10,000, him can arrest them and sign some legal criminal thing about them and bar them from coming to Jamaica? Do you
Well, I
know
heard
that?
that
These
somebody
people,
talked to me about
yes,
that last night. Somebody was telling me about
yes,
that last night, what to do.
yes, you can report them behavior and make people and the government you know and bar them from enter any country if them are act so with citizens. But what I want you to know though is, you sure?
I'm sure, Your Honor. I'm sure. Even my bigger son, she has sent threat to my bigger son, say my son got watch, she gonna make man beat him. May
So
I tell
why
you,
don't
I'm
you go to
sure.
the police? Why don't you go to the nearest police station?
Well, as I said, last night somebody give me an idea what to do and tell me to get their address so me can call I still remember the place name where she live. Belgium police station. So last night the person give me what and what me supposed to do with her full name.
So you're going to call Belgium and file a complaint?
Yes. But me I make the report here first, and next them take it to Belgium.
So who that Belgium?
That's where she is.
And where the donkey there?
Me no know where the donkey there, but me know where she the other one is.
Oh. Well, I don't know, I don't know, yeah, Shay gonna work that out. But all right, so we could move on. But I don't like that. So therefore, me take it in a legal action. So Shay have to come a court, and Shay have to really, really come make some adjustment to this. Because this is what I'm saying to you now.
Yeah.
The allegation that you are using against Shay and Shay brand, and it happening to your life. These are serious allegations.
I know.
And
Yeah.
if this is real, then the full penalty of the law has to execute. So I'm going to treat this with a serious matter. So I have to talk to Shay and find out what's going on. Before I go, Annie, I want to say something. Mika. Mika, I have a question. Do you love your mother? Mika, are you there?
Mika?
Yes, sir. Tell me. Mika, you there? All right, when she come back. All right, Annie. I have a question. I don't want you notice I try to stay out of your business because I don't want to go in at too much thing where the government are dealing with. But I have a question. There is numerous petition say that I must lock you up for one reason.
What is
You are
that?
Annie because Zoe is not going to school. So that is why I'm here and the officer is out a door. But I want to ask you to prove this. Prove to me and the media and the world that I should not lock you up today. Why your daughter is not in school, or is that an allegation? Else I have to lock you up and take you in with me today.
Well, Your Honor, if CDA come and they no lock me up, Your Honor, me no think you can lock me up, Your Honor.
So that means you are clear.
I am clear.
So she's in school.
All right. I don't want to speak about certain things about Zoe on here, but
Okay,
Zoe
understand.
is getting her education.
All right, good. Complain, understood. All right, that's good enough for me. So you're say, but what you're seeing on your screen? What's the first letter you see in your comment section over there?
Oh, my one lockdown. Turn on the comments, please.
Oh, you lock it up. Okay, you lock it up. That's why I went over here, so. Okay. That's why I went over here, so, because it's lockdown. That's why I went over here to chat, so, because, well, Annie won't need to talk back when we can go and talk to Annie. All right, hear this now, Annie, before I go. I have 4 more minutes with you. All right.
Yeah.
Now, Annie, your daughter again. What's her name? Alia?
Yes, Alia.
Anna?
Yes.
The one with the baby. Red hands.
Yeah, Anna.
All right. Do you? All right. I see the relationship with Yana now, but how are you able to play a role and help her in a time like this when she's not letting you in?
How am I able to play a role?
Oh, yeah, when you help her and she not let you in. She's not letting you in. Like, oh, yeah, she'll cuss you, she'll deal with you. So you as a mother will know more and understand life more. How she not let you in for associate with her and help her with what she'll do with the picnic? Why she not let you in?
Well, as I said, I don't know because we used to have a band together. You know, we used to be close. So I don't know. Recently again, me try again and we were going good, but it's just Daniel. I'm telling you, it's Daniel. Like this man just always just in our head tell her what to do and just go ahead.
Take 4 phone calls from anybody around the world to make them voice them opinion and have a chance to say something to you live through the phone call. Numbers to call 857-251-0471. That's 857-251-0471. That's 857-0471. You can call on WhatsApp and you can call and straight. Message to Annie. Mika, you can call and say, RT, message to Annie. What's the number? Mika, quick question. Do you love your mother?
Yes.
You love her?
Yes.
You love her when you sit down and talk to her and you tell her the truth and tell her what come in your mind?
Every single day, yes, I do.
And you don't afraid of telling her the truth.
No, I'm not afraid.
That's the way to start the love.
Beautiful.
All right, guys, I only have 4 minutes left to go. So the numbers to call is 857-251-0471. Anybody have anything to say to Annie? Anything you want to say, Annie? Anyone of Annie fans? Anybody? Blood, me say the Jamaican people, anything they didn't get credit. We got digital. Hello?
Hello.
How are you doing, caller? You live?
Yes, RT. My question to Annie is why she keep on a blame Akiwak and not blame Mika, not Mika, Zoe. That is a big question because if
She don't have to answer, you know, because to me, I judge, you know, she can't say pass that she don't have to answer. So that's why you know that she don't have to.
Anyways, why she want to blame Akiwak and don't want to blame Zoe? She's the one to blame as well because look how you make Zoe dress. If you look at 14-year-old bikini, we should have made
She know, but your Anna, she no come to ask no question.
All right, move on then. Move on.
Yeah, man, move on. She no come to ask no question, man.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, caller. How you doing?
Yes.
Guys, everyone.
Question to Honey.
Yes, question to Annie. I want to ask when are Zoe going to school?
All right. As the lawyer documents to state that Zoe is in school and she's in good condition and the government advised.
Okay.
Can that help you? Zoe is in school and she under the government advice.
And my next question is, when is Annie going to stop lying?
Oh, this all right, Gashe, so.
And that me I tell you. And that, yeah, and I mean I tell no, not one more the phone call, my love. Now one more. Because you know what the first thing your Honor as a judge too? Your Honor, because I respect your court for hear somebody want to blame a 14-year-old child with a 37-year-old adult to show you all these people are nasty and disgusting. Yes, she's gonna get her blame. But a 37-year-old man who is a big man will know themselves. You understand? Eh?
Any matter how to do it.
Guys,
Of course.
Any matter.
Of course.
So what you feel? Make you back? Okay, so because you said enough for answer no more call, me stop. Me somebody phone like ring.
No, because what they want to do, they want to get personal. And I
but
don't
you
like
cut them
that.
off. You have to tell them to cut them off. Cut them off. Cut them.
All right, go ahead, your Honor. Go ahead. I will tell you to cut them
No,
off.
once you know one time to them to cut them.
All right. Thank you, Queen.
Cut them. All right. Caller, you live. You have the Queen Annie. What you have to say to Annie?
Your Honor, how are you? I'm pleasant. Good afternoon, first and foremost.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. RT. Now, that's the Queen Annie that's there on your platform. I like what you're doing first, I must say, Your Honor. But don't you think, in the world's opinion, Annie is not a suitable mum? She's not a well-trained mum. Is that in spaces that is even there? Can we go back to Jaden incident? Did she sold one of her daughter for prostitution?
Hi. I mean, Annie, you put object when you want object. You want.
Me no hear none much him say so like him have Irish in her mouth. So that's what I want then.
Okay, so she says she can't understand your accent. She cannot understand your accent.
Yes,
Okay.
so like
Yes. Okay. All right. Message to Annie. Message to Annie. Hello.
My message to Annie is, will she ever take accountability for anything at all? Nothing. She's blaming everyone. I mean, I hear she'll take accountability for anything. So that is my...
What accountable Annie to take? What accountable you're looking for?
But she leave the girl, she leave her daughter with a 37-year-old. She allowed the media to undo everything to her kids then. And she blamed everybody for the need except for herself.
But these things that are out there, most of the things out there are allegations, because nobody have anything to prove against Annie. We don't know where Annie know from where Annie know or where Annie know not. We assume to believe Annie don't know certain things that Annie can't help, but this thing is in a legal ground. We don't expect you to say certain things. But why you blame Annie? Matter of fact, we have to cut you off because you sound like a Shay senior. Hello?
I never got one for class, sorry, so full time now. It didn't want them even come out of one for class, Annie. Annie, get up on God church, it's one for class Sunday. You hear me? I tell you.
But that doesn't sound like a demon in front of you, your Anna.
Hello? Message to Annie.
Yes, my message to Annie is, if she had proof, does she have proof besides the word of mouth? Does she have any proof to say this is what she did, this is what she's doing? Does she have any proof?
Of course she have proof. She have proof to state. Is her mouth is the proof to state that whatever she say a lie. You use the word she name, so her mouth is the proof.
We have, your Anna, we have proof and we do have phone call as well.
She said she had proof. You here?
I didn't.
She has proof. Next caller.
Moderator, turn on the comments now, please. And I can't lock down the comments so long, please.
Yeah, hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Message
Moderator,
to
turn
Annie.
on the comments. Please.
My message to Annie is, Annie, keep on trying, keep on doing the best that you can, and don't let no one discourage you. Because when God is for you, can no man fight against you. You heard me, honey? Keep your head up.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
that you can. You're a trying mother, and that's all that matters.
Tell her thanks, Annie.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Queen. Thank you.
Just keep doing what you're doing, Annie. Okay?
Caller your life. Final caller for Annie. What you have to say to Annie?
Queen, thank you, baby. Tifa, thank you, baby.
Message to Annie.
But there's a
Sim, thank you.
But there's a screen record that shows that Annie knew that Akiwak and her daughter was in a relationship, because the daughter was saying that I'm not cheating on you, so you don't have to treat me in a type of way. There is a screen record showing that. So why is Annie acting like she don't know about the relationship between Akiwak and her 14-year-old daughter?
Well, for me, all right, listen. As a judge and speaking on the behalf, because I'm there with her, you see, what I want you to understand is a ackee tree plant in the
So one screen record it say, about cheat and why you not cheat on me and say, look here, that the one the liar, that the one the goodie. That me I say, thank you, baby.
Okay, she sorry, I have to cut you off. That is unclarified. She said she can't prove that. She don't know that. Hello?
So what? She said that she nah cheat. Hold on, chat. Cheat. No way.
Hello?
Yes, you're live with Annie.
Yes, RT, I want to ask Annie, where was Zoe when all of them was at Jabba's party? All adults were at Jabba's party. Where was Zoe?
In your mama house.
She was cooking Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, because she's a minor. She's not supposed to be by herself. All
Yes.
the adults were at the party. Where was Zoe?
Yes, she was at the cooking dinner.
And then you forget charged to auto order for the party.
All right, bye, caller. Sorry, I have to disconnect, please. All right. So we have to do that. People, you cannot call and be very disrespectful to Annie is a celebrity. Final call. Caller, you live with Annie.
No.
Chat, everybody, guys. One rose, chat.
Everybody
Where you and you know about Zoe and Akiwaka, because as the other caller says, he said, oh, Zoe, when you're Akiwaka, they use the Akiwaka now. And she said, oh, I'm there, Akiwaka wants her phone to search it. And she said, Akiwaka to step on like she knows where go on. So that must sound like something or something. Even your daughter did come out and say it before this come out.
Your Honor, tell her to go back and repeat what she said. Me not hear her good.
Repeat what you said.
You did know the Aki Walker and Zoe in a something because when you ask Zoe why she and Aki Walker argue, Zoe tell us the Aki Walker want her phone to looking at it, and she said Aki Walker don't have to be able to because she depend live and not in her phone because she not cheat. But
No like that, Your Honor. That girl they lied. Lift up.
All right, she said that's a
If
lie.
my daughter don't
So you-
even have a
because
phone, that girl, that woman is a
would-
liar. My daughter don't even
how
have
would
a
Annie
phone.
say? Eh? You say a lie.
Yeah, my daughter don't have a phone.
Annie, you talk your mind. Can you see? Annie can correct one that out there, bring her down and say, see? Cut you off a lie.
That no, seriously, that's a lie. What she come and I said, but furthermore, she's come and said, Annie, no. What them want, everybody want to say, Annie, no. Them I tell you, say, Annie, no, you know. Then I ask the question if Annie, no, you know. I tell you. Plus, Your Honor, if there was a screen record like that, don't you think would have said that long time? That would have used long time before me even did find out. Come on.
Annie, let me explain something to you. You know, say when it comes to you as a judge and people, me I will represent you and I will always split the law for evidence to show up on your side. Nobody not going to manangle you. You're speaking the truth. The people are not going to make you tell no lie. If you don't know, you don't know. That's how you do it. You're all right. You don't know. Nobody not going to make you know as a client or anybody for me. You just don't know. And that's what it is. You don't know. Message to Annie.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not a question. May I tell Annie say, Annie has a job, Zoe. Zoe needs some punishment. Okay, so if Annie not punish Zoe, Zoe are going to sleep with that next big man again. Me not hear Annie say out her mouth say Zoe wrong, I'll know Annie not say Zoe wrong. Yes, she underage and she's a minor, but you have to punish her. If you don't punish her, a next man I go fall to a victim same way. Yes, him is a adult.
So you agree with that?
I agree with her 100%. I agree with her so much.
Right.
Up in the camera, she just like Zoe must go with a child's face. Zoe must go with a fitness face.
Yeah.
It's going to sleep with that next big man again.
Totally agree.
All right, thank you for very much. That makes sense, Carla. Big up yourself for the day.
Yeah.
Why would you can't call woman and tell her positive things? Why like them two Carla? Yeah? Why would you have to say bad things? Bring her down tomorrow, man. But you know, you go. Hello?
Yes, hello. My question to Annie is Mika pregnant?
Me bumbo clad. Why are your pussy? Sorry, Annie. Sorry. No, but what kind of question? Yeah, sorry. Annie, are you a Christian? Sorry. Sorry. Annie, yeah.
Mika, go ahead and answer, baby girl.
No, I'm not pregnant. It was a lie. It's spread by Eldino. Eldino was telling lie on me.
You hear? Hello?
No, I'm not getting it.
Betty Bad would run her. She's gone. Hello?
Hi.
Yes, question to Annie.
Okay, no problem. I don't exactly a question that I want to give to Annie. It's just like word of like advice. Like I've been watching her for like a good while, and I realized that a lot of people don't really see the good that she's like doing. In a sense, they only see like the negatives. Like recently, when she was helping a lady who was like in a domestic abuse situation, and I feel like the majority of people, they don't watch live. They're just like seeing screen recordings, and they don't know actually like what's going on. And like last night when I saw that, people were like trying to take her life, like fool around with their car, and I just like saying this is like actually like a real thing. Persons need to like pay a lot of attention. But they're treating these people on the media
Yankee,
like they aren't actually real persons.
you want a mix up visa? Hello, my darling.
Huh?
You want a mix up visa? You have a visa for Jamaica, but you don't have a visa for mix up. But we are listening to you. That is my advice to you, judge. You need a mix up visa. You're not a tourist visa to mix up. Anyway, you have to say to her.
Oh, sorry. You keep you just
I'm just saying, you know, maybe how she speak, but what she say is totally true, and thank her for the concern. Like, me really respect her for that. You know,
All
for
right,
being
thank you very
concerned.
much. Annie said she liked it. Big up. All right, last call. People, meet the last call. We're not top call. Hello,
So
message
we're
to
gonna some
Annie.
taps on my side, guys. Everybody there, here, so with me.
Guys, stop on the screen for me.
People who can't watch the show and now shoot for Annie, you know, give her the support. All of the Annie people, them shoot and call, shoot and call. Tell them Annie, shoot, tap up the screen, call, and send gift. Annie need it. Hello?
Keeper, thank you, baby.
Hello?
Hello.
How are you? Question or message to Annie?
Hello.
Yeah, question or message to Annie.
Good afternoon. My message is to Annie. Why did Zoe on birth control?
She can hear me, RT?
Yes.
Miss, is a question, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Zoe. Zoe's not on birth control. Can I ask her why she asked that question?
Why when you and TikTok police at the Airbnb?
Turn on the phone there, turn on the next phone there, background, and you can't listen to two. Listen to your cell phone.
What am I asking me? Why like Zoe Depper like?
I said, why when Annie and TikTok police at the Airbnb, she sent back Aki Walk with Zoe to go home in the middle of the night.
Aki Walk is a taxi man. Him travel, him can bring them home and bring them home. Him not have no problem with that. He was just
That is it.
But she giving him right to fuck her, right?
Oh, you know she give him right to fuck her.
Because why you give this man your child to bring home at night?
How much man bring home for your pitney?
But that's weird. So much man bring home your child. That don't give the man the right for your sex with your child. That's crazy.
RT is the worst judge. Fuck you.
Fuck you too, you nasty bitch. Fuck you, you barrel-looking blood clot. Fuck you. Your makeup I fuck up you. Move your makeup I fuck up your blood clot. Your makeup even look better than you. Go your blood clot. You could even call free. Yeah, call for WhatsApp. Move your blood clot. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, how you doing?
I'm okay. I just want to tell Annie that I love her so much and she should just keep certain things off of the media and just pray to God. Because me, I watch her from YouTube. So she needs to make some more YouTube video. Okay, that's all I have to say.
Okay, this one is
thank you.
Trinidad Tobago. Live in Trinidad Tobago.
Good day. I just want to say something. All them people, them on the live and thing, all they just wicked and evil, and just because all they don't like Annie, all they go get accused boy right. All they so wicked. So we tell the girl and he wrong, and they don't 400 wrong, he's a big old man, and he shouldn't watch a little girl like that. So I give him wrong. And just because all they hate Annie and all they want to see Annie go right down, all they want to bring she down, because Annie's a damn good man, and she trying what she trying. And sometimes you make...
Bolt it down, take time. Take time, bolt it down, mommy, bolt it down.
When you turn your back to and there's two more kind of shit, so Annie can watch it all the time. They just do shit sometimes, you understand? So they leave the woman alone and she trying. Or they too down with kids somehow there.
I saw it sound fast too.
No, they talk fast.
No, but I saw we sound fast when we attack too. Cause I
faster that way. Your Honor.
Yeah, she sound fast. And it sound like she hot for you too, you know, and she love you, you know, so she attack so fast when never get it. But I think, yeah, but
I don't understand. I just want to tell her thank you so much and I appreciate
guys, I have to go now. I have to wrap up. So this is the good one. Hello?
Yo, RT.
Yo.
Yeah, my question. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, my question to Annie is, Annie need to suck out his mother because Annie a drunk crowd.
First one was.
Hello, caller.
Thank you, come on. The first one was. Everybody said it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yes.
My question, my message for Annie. Annie, you're a mom, and anybody would have to do that.
guys, come on. 6 more, 6 more.
Okay.
So just continue be strong.
Alright. Me and then the button Anika. Alright, you will keep on a step for answer more.
Big up the lady there for me now, please. Big up the lady there for me now. Thank you so much, Mama.
Annie said to big up.
Queen, thank you. Queen, where we get money going?
Hello?
Hi, Auntie. How are you?
I'm good.
Hi, Annie. How are you?
No, hi. I'm good. How are you?
What I want to say is, we know
Definitely.
the man is not a man, yeah? Because you can't be a man and want to be involved with a minor. But where does any accountability fall into this? That's my question.
All right. The accountability where Annie starts with our data, based on it is in the government and a legal thing. Whatever we say in the media can use against us in the court of law. So therefore, she can't say too much about the data because it's in the legal and as we speak. Can you understand that? Coming from our
Yes, I
attorney.
can understand that. Well, I understand that, but I have a next question for Annie.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't know if it's a question, but I'm going to say it anyway. She said she has 6 children, 4 girls and 2 boys.
Mm-hmm.
I was watching her for years until recently. I just couldn't bother anymore because it was too much. For me, it was too toxic. So does she feel like a toxic environment is what leads to the breakdown in the relationship with her children?
Well, you hear what she said? I didn't hear you what you said.
Me here. You can go ahead and answer it.
She want to ask, let me repeat it to you, if you believe that the toxic things that where you go through cause ask it again, mommy. Do it more raw. Say it more raw.
So, okay, the toxic environment is where you are. I'm not saying that it's your fault because circumstances happen and sometimes you can't help it. But do you think the toxic environment that you're always in is what breaks down the relationship between you and your children?
Well,
Me can answer that.
I would say, you know, mother said no, because at the end of the day, the other rest of kids are good. We are good, you know, and it was toxic. You get what I said? So I would say no. It's our person Steve.
Mika, you want to answer that?
Mika, you want to answer that, Mama?
Okay. All right, Mama. But Annie said no.
No.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
All right, good.
All right,
so
bye.
All right, so I'm going to just end it with a nice verse today. I'm going to wrap up. So thank you guys for participating. I know the phone you want to call Annie and bring her down and say it can go so, but at least we open the line and everybody express themselves. Who get to say what they want to say. But Annie, before I leave you is, everybody are come for the data. The whole Aki and Kalalu and Saltfish.
Yeah.
But I don't get into Aki and Kalalu and Saltfish that much because I know for a fact they are with the legal thing and people want to get into that. But I understand that I can't dig into that too much because we have real people life is at stake. What Aki walk across your data. Now, the next situation with Walmart, your grandson. We don't get into that much because people want to hear about Walmart, but we don't want to get into that because we don't want your daughter get more upset and thing. But the question Wilbert. But the question I ask of you is, why don't your daughter left Redance yet? What is she waiting on? Or she does not has to leave Redance. Leaving Redance and have nothing to do with it. That's the question I have for you.
Well, Your Honor, what I have heard is they said she'd have to prepare herself and get somewhere different from Redance. So she have to find herself an apartment. You understand? And also when we get to understand that maybe a family member, somebody would have to get the child. You understand? So that's the only thing we can tell you about. So she's supposed to know to separate herself. You understand? That's it. I can't say anymore.
The last time I see you, I see you one big land and say you can build up on it. No, so?
Yes, sir.
All right. So why them young daughter not start build up on it? Like she can't get peace to build up on it.
Yes, I have. I'm a half for her, Your Honor. I did offer her just like her sister here right now. I know I build up her look one room. You know, I half for her as well, but I don't know. Seems like she don't want
So
it, Your Honor.
space there for any one of your 6 kids them can
Yes,
build
sir.
up something to start till them ready to go up on them own. Space is there, you're saying.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Amika, that a true me or you shake your head? Yeah, shake your head. That a true.
Yes.
So space there. So if them no want I want to hear that people. If them no want build nothing, and them no want build nothing. Here Ania say, Mika say space there. If them want start build and do something for themselves, they can do it. So it's up to what them want do. Annie, this is why I would advise you to do and close the show. Get a big house out of TikTok. The same land where we are talking about. Get
Yeah.
chocker sand, get chocker black. Build a nice 5-bedroom house. For the 6 picnic them.
Yes.
What thing you can do for them? Whole heap of thing fuck up, whole heap of bad thing happen, whole heap of this, but one thing you know, the whole of them young, them are gonna mess up, them are gonna fuck up.
Yeah.
Build a house where I make them know say, you see if you fuck up and you have problem out there with man and so forth, see the house here, you can come back, see a room there.
Yeah.
Because no matter what, you and them are gonna have a problem. But I believe if you build a house as a mother where all of them can have shelter, that can help fix whatever issue you have with enough of them. Because you
Yeah.
see them young and them are buck up. Provide a shelter. So set up a mansion up in the air out of TikTok. And if all being well, if you can do it in a street story, they do it in a street story. And if them don't want to live there, you rent out it, Ross.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's a pleasure having you in this Ross. Me gone to blood clot. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you.